Are you looking for a beautifully remodeled home in one of Redmond's coveted neighborhoods at an affordable price? If so, I've got the home to tell you about today. Hi, I'm Tony Meyer with Windermere Real Estate. We're up on English Hill, and as the area's top selling broker for the last 17 years, I'm pleased to present to you a fabulous home. We're in the neighborhood of Coventry, which is part of the English Hill Homeowners Association. The English Hill HOA has a park and trail system. In fact, a trail system right adjacent to this property leads right up to the award-winning Sunrise Elementary. The home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-story, 2,100 square feet. It's got some gorgeous updates throughout. Check out this beautiful kitchen, maple cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. We've got a gas range behind us. The home has got great updates throughout. Cool space off one of the bedrooms, really neat play space, kind of a creative spot. The backyard is just a fabulous paradise. We've got a wonderful deck, fire pit, play structure, rock wall, catio, lots of gorgeous plantings. This is a fabulous home, and I know you're gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful home. If you'd like to schedule an appointment to view it, please call myself or my team at 425-466-1000.